Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Silverado key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here on this side you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can pull this mechanical key out, this one. You have to remove the mechanical key from here. Now when you remove this mechanical key, take it, and now when you turn the fob like this here is the side with the buttons facing down. Right here you see this hole in the middle. Now you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right in this hole in the middle, and when you insert it, twist it a little bit, and when you twist it, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate this fob into two pieces, right after that, here on this side you see the old dead battery right here. Now take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery, and also make sure it's with the negative side facing up. This step here is very important. And now when you place the new battery over here, take these two pieces together again, this one and this one, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. Now when you snap them together like this, take the mechanical key and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning here, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.